Hello everyone. Today we are really going to look at how to create an account on Hostinger. Now to get started, all you have to do is just visit this web address here, www.hostinger.com. Once you've done that, it will take you to this page here. I've already opened the page, but let's do it together. So open another tab, then type in www.hostinger.com. Now I'll click enter. Now Hostinger works in a different way. Here, for you to create an account with Hostinger, you must have to purchase any of their services. Maybe you get a hosting from them, or you buy a domain, or you get a WordPress hosting. So any of these services, you must have to get it from them. Okay. All right. Now, I have an account, but for the sake of this class, I will just have to show you. I can actually click on hosting, click here, select the type of host that I want to buy, or click here, search for domain and add it to cart and go on to purchase it and then create account. But then I'll prefer to go this way. I'll just scroll down to where you see pick your perfect plan. Now I'll click on choose your plan. We have discussed these plans and what you get, and we compared it with Namecheap, and that was in the last class. So now let's go with choose plan. Now this interface will open. Here, this is where you choose your period. How long do you want this hosting for? For 1 month, for 12 months, which is 1 year, or 24 months, which is 2 years, or 48. Okay, now we'll go with 12 months. And now this is what you pay, 2.99 per month. So you're paying a total of 35.88 for 1 year. So one other thing, Namecheap is very fantastic. So here, they have 30-day money back guarantee. When you pay for this service and you do not like what you get, all you have to do is just apply for refund, and Namecheap will refund you your money. I've done this in the past when I started out with Namecheap newly, and I got my refund. So this is not just there for being their sake. They actually do this. They refund you your money when you don't like their services. Right? They pay you, but if you pay through card, they refund the money to your card. Okay, so that's how it works. So let's continue. Click on this continue. Then this brings you to this interface, and here you have to enter your email and your password. Okay, now let me go with let me enter this Ben Shapiro reply at gmail.com. Yeah. Now password, let's choose this. All right, now I'll click on continue. Okay. Now this brings us to this place. All right. Now you have to really fill out this form. First name, let me use Joe. Last name, let me use Craig. Then your number. I'm from Nigeria, that's why you're seeing this. Okay, if you're not from Nigeria, just click on this drop down and you choose your country. Okay, now you enter your number, or just enter any random number. Then this is my country of residence, then my province and region. So I'll fill in my region, which is, let me use Abuja. Okay, then the city in Abuja. You get the city, you get the address, you get the zip code. Let me look for Abuja zip code. This is how you get these things, okay? If you don't know, oh, Abuja zip code. If you don't know any of these things, you just ask Google. Now, these are the zip codes from Abuja. If you're from Lagos, maybe you are in Lagos State, all you have to do is type in Lagos zip code, okay? Then enter. Now, these are zip codes from Lagos. So since I'm using Abuja, I'll simply come here. Let me copy this first one. Oh, I can copy it. 900, that's 1 2 3 4 zeros, 9 4 zeros and 1. Yeah, simply come here, 9000 and 1. Now city, if you don't know the cities in Abuja, you can actually come here and say cities in Abuja. Okay, boom, you have your cities here, list of cities, town, and all of that. Okay, now you can choose Nyanya, which is very popular. And also, if you want to be more accurate, you can actually come back and say, for the zip code, you can say uh, Nyanya zip code. Let's be more accurate. Okay, now you see the zip code changed. All right, let's copy Nyanya zip code. New Nyanya zip code. Let me add Abuja. Nyanya Abuja zip code. Okay, 900103. 900103. So let's come here. 900103. 900103. Now we are good. Okay. Now we have to click on this continue. All right. We'll click on continue. Once we click on continue, it takes us to the next interface. Okay. All right. This is where we make our payments. This is where we make our payment. How do you want to pay? Do you want to pay with your card? Do you want to pay through PayPal or Google Pay or Alipay? Most times we have issues in Nigeria to make payments like this. I'll make a video on how to make payments. If you're having issues making your payment, I will show you in the next video. I will explain how to make these payments. Okay, how to get a card that works from Nigeria. Okay, now once you click on this and you enter your card information from Nigeria. Some of the cards from Nigeria are capped at $10 per month. Some I think $15 per month. Then you say that you cannot make these payments. There is a way to get a card that works in Nigeria. Okay, you get a card. The card will help you to make payments online in dollar. You fund the account with your naira, and you get dollar. Then with the card, you can actually make payments online. Okay, that will be for the next class. So now I don't want to pay for this. I'm just here to show you how to do this. So if you have a card that works from Nigeria, if you're from Nigeria, you enter the card details here and click on submit. Then this money, that 5.88 will be deducted from that card, and you will have your account created and you will have a hosting, right there on the account. Now, congratulations, you just purchased a hosting package from Hostinger, and you also created an account. So then if you're from another country, you can actually just enter your card details here. And once you're done with it, then click on submit payments, and that's it for it. You have your account created, and also you have a hosting package with Hostinger. Thank you, and see you all in the next class.